There might be some things that you might want your viewer to see and some things that you might not. And to control that out, you can use something called the viewer tools. And to do that, you need to click on the gear icon right here. And here you can see viewer tools is an option. So once you go around over here, it says info icon. The site info icon in the lower left of your published site shows these page specific details, as you can see right here. And the site viewers may click or hover on the icon to reveal out the content. And if you don't want this to actually reveal out the content, you can just disable this out right here. Apart from that, you can see that anchor links actually appear right here. So anchor links appear when site viewers hover over headings on the page right here. So if you don't want the anchor links to appear, then you can turn this off as well. And that's it. So now your viewers won't have access to all of those settings right here. So they won't be able to have anchor links anywhere, and they won't be able to have the information link as well. And that is how you can enable and disable the viewer contents by using the viewer tools inside of Google Sites. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.